Election ni jorao Lukurok no kok rimani Chong Mari kwplai wngkha ke Lukurok ni bagai samung kaham tangmani kok rimani pogyawi Onimes de Bruma tini ashram bari constituency namanjoy kamio DCM BCD election PWD rokno tubui visit khlai phaikya LUP ni bwkhaktwi choyoy naitun chini ha news
চিনি এলাকাও এমনভাবে প্ল্যানিং করি নর এমন সড়ক নামবে যে কয়েকটা পারান বড় মেইন সড়কও থাকবে আবুল তাবুল লামা খাইকুন লাভ administrative camp here chini bidu sahib tongo DCM Anjan babu tongo officially with the knowledge of the administration and the government we have come to visit two village committees Sriram Khara te Namanjoyo line department ni chini engineers roads and bridges DWS power department and also from rural development department they have come we have heard the requirement from the people of these two village committees orobo road dangnai boro DWS ni machine rok choliye and both the sides villagers and the officials we are satisfied with the discussion bobo work khlaijagnai they are also very clear villagers are also very clear tamu borong nangnai so amicably this all work will be completed in the next 1 month 2 months of time jekhane fund kri will inform the government the concerned department BDO as well as the officers concerned they will initiate the file I as a leader of the opposition also will look into the matter and interact with the concerned ministries and we'll get the fund we'll get the work done so tinini hai omo process choli tongnai jonogon bagi joton phayo officers politicians everyone came together to work so that the state can go ahead with development work thank you